how to buy quantum fart entanglement token. So this token came under the symbol of QFE. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the code below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits direct amount in the description. So as you can see, before going on buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. So this token is available on the screener. Now the liquidity here are locked by 95%. It's great. That's million investment in the safe place. To be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here. This token address is under this line network. Open your friend's wallet for that. Now I will log into my wallet first. Now after that, what you need to do, click on swap here. Make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Click here and paste the token address here. So this is our token, click on it. So here type how much you want to buy. So as you can see, this is how much you will receive the token. After that, select provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here. And click on swap, and you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. If you face any issue, go back to this page, switch the slippage from here or custom it, because the most of issues came from the slippage, and after that you can be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy quantum fart entanglement token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.